Hey guys, how are you all doing? Everything good? I'm Ed from Parqueteto, and in this video, I'm going to give you several tips to help you decorate your house or your apartment. This is the project I'm delivering to my client, an 88 square meter apartment where we did the design and also handled the execution from floor to ceiling, going through every stage of this renovation here. So I want to give you a tour, walk you through everything we included in the project we completed, and it will be useful for you. Come on. I want to start with the laundry area, okay? Come here. Here we designed custom cabinetry to accommodate his stacked washer and dryer, okay? Washing machine and dryer here with this white countertop, lower cabinet, all good. Cabinetry to hide the heater cabinet, overhead cabinet here too. Look how cool this is, check it out. Something I really like to use in my projects is this product here. Look, a retractable wall-mounted clothesline, okay? This is really cool. I use two of them here in his apartment, one above and one below. There are 80 cm ones, 1 meter, 1.20 meters, and 60 cm ones. I'll leave the link where I bought it for you down below in the description, okay? Back in the kitchen, there are many interesting and cool things here I want to share with you. From the induction cooktop, built-in gas oven, this LED here on the kitchen wall that I think is amazing, including this shelf that I really like. The range hood is here, okay? A lot of people asked me in previous videos I made, where's the range hood? Look at the range hood here. Let me turn on its light, see? Here's the range hood. It's a slim range hood that we installed. Here we have a white quartz countertop, okay? It's the same as the countertop over there and the same as the counter over there. Single lever faucet here as well, okay? Hot water, cold water. Satin finish floor. It's a large tile, 1.20 meters by 1.20 meters. We have a dishwasher here. I planned the microwave on this side and the fridge over there next to it. And come here, wait, look at this. Something interesting. Pocket door hidden inside the wall. Okay, guys, look at this. Forget about that traditional glass door with one fixed panel here and the other one that moves. The door you need to use is this one here. Here, look, you're going to click. Oops, the key got stuck. You're going to click and it stays hidden inside the wall. You click again and it comes out from inside the wall. I'll also leave the link for you to buy it. It's through the Optimize website, which is our partner. Use the coupon ARC7 to get a discount there, all right? Let's go there because the kitchen is amazing. Now look at the living room. Oh wow, let me show you this counter. Here we made this counter to maximize the cabinetry, add cabinets, and have the microwave built in. There's a niche down here. And this beautiful counter which serves as a spot for his quick everyday meals. Look, check out how cool that is. There's someone there moving around the kitchen and someone else sitting at the counter just relaxing. I've already told you guys that the kitchen counter needs to be like this. Look, that kind of counter that, comes up like this. I hate that. I don't like it. I don't use it in my projects. A counter where you come up and it goes up like this. Ed, there's a cooktop on the other side of my island. That's fine. We can check it out, but it has to be like this. Look. And I like it this way. In fact, it goes down on the side. See? The stone continues down the side. Wrapping all the way around here. Okay, come here. Since I'm here on this high counter, I have a stone niche with a wine rack here, which we included in the project. And this niche is where he's going to put his coffee maker, something here, matching our whole project. We have a stone here in Ubatuba green. Look at the kitchen over there. Look at the stone on the kitchen wall. Notice that we have a set of colors here that go well together. From the beige of the furniture matching the floor, okay? Between the green here in the niche and the green over there on our countertop, right? Here we have a panel with a concealed door. This beautiful door that's right here, look. Wait, we're heading into the bedrooms now. I want to show you this here. This is his office, look. We made a custom wood desk, a tall cabinet, LED lights underneath, lighting too, really cool. And this door here, when he's inside his office working, using the computer, if there's someone here, he can just close the door panels and have privacy in his office, okay? This is amazing, this type of door, right? I really liked it, I enjoyed it a lot. In fact, it opens from both sides, look. All right? If you want to open it from both sides, you can. You can leave it half and half if you want. Look how cool this is. See? Beautiful, right? A project that we made, that we created and included in the project. He loved it, so we brought it here with our glazier. Look. See how cool that is? Let's talk a little about the balcony. We already had a darker stone there on the barbecue counter. He ended up not wanting to change it. We kept it. We made this counter from the same material as that stone over there to have a counter here by his grill. Here it is, look. He can take the grilled food off here, set it here, and serve the people at the table. Got it? And then we have this division here between the barbecue area and the gourmet table here, right? His outdoor dining balcony. This is exactly his grill area. We covered this with porcelain tiles 20 by 20. This used to be open. We put up drywall here, look, to hide it and make the grill area look nice, aesthetically pleasing, right? And look, we have some green elements here. We have green here, which is the same green that's over here, matching the green of the sofa and complementing this black countertop right here. We have this organic shaped table with this chandelier right here in our balcony, which basically became his dining room, right? And we have this whole little panel here, which is frejo, right? We call this wood here frejo. Including covering the entrance door with this whole big panel here, which is the same as the one here, and the same one used inside his office. And the same green that's over there is the green that's here in the living room, matching our sofa. Come here. Let's go in here now to the hallway that leads to the bedrooms, okay? Should we go to the single person's bedroom first? Look at this beautiful bedroom. Look at this, guys. Here we have vinyl flooring in the bedrooms. We have the wardrobes here in the single bedroom. The one in the master bedroom is also very beautiful. Linen wallpaper. It's what I always tell you to use in the bedrooms and what I use in my projects. See? Linen wallpaper. This is the wallpaper you'll have to use in your project. I'll put the model name and where you can buy this type of wallpaper in the description below for you. Linen. Really beautiful. It feels great when you touch it. It's awesome. We have lighting right there on this low panel by the headboard of the bed. Look at that beautiful lighting. See? And we also have the illuminated curtain recess and this cool curtain we put up here. We have this little panel here too. Look. That's where we put the TV and the air conditioner up here with this shelf to solve this issue here in the single bedroom. Now come here. Come to the master bedroom with me. Look. The hallway turned out really fancy. Let's put it that way. Really nice too. Why? Because we separated the vinyl flooring from the living room to the hallway, right? And then we had a private hall, let's say, for the guest bathroom. Come here. Here's the guest bathroom. We used the same flooring as the living room, just in smaller dimensions, 90 by 90, with this beautiful wall covering that's here on the wall, okay? Black fixtures, shower enclosure, okay? The shower frame is black. A white countertop as well, which is the same material as the kitchen, with this vessel sink and a black faucet too. Look at how beautiful this guest bathroom is. Come here, let's go in now, since we're talking about bathrooms, into the suite's bathroom. We had a small issue in the suite's bathroom, which we fixed with this shower enclosure model. Look. Folding panel. Okay? If I put two fixed panels, I would end up with a very narrow passage here. So we chose this model. We have a lit niche here, just like in the guest bathroom. And this is the same design as the guest bathroom. The only difference is the wall coverings. Because the niches, cabinetry, and sink are all the same. In fact, we have it right here. Look. A mirror with a sliding door on this cabinet here in the suite's bathroom. Now come here. Come into the suite with me. Look. Look at this beautiful suite, man. Be honest. Curtains. I always tell you, okay? Curtains should go from floor to ceiling. They can't stop in the middle. Alright? This is how curtains should look. Floor to ceiling with an illuminated curtain recess. Wallpaper on the headboard wall. Look at this. This is the kind of wallpaper you should use. I told you about it in the other room, the single room. Linen wallpaper. On the headboard wall, I really like to use this kind of decoration. A custom wood headboard with linen wallpaper, with this LED that you see here. Giving this wash of light to my wall with linen wallpaper. Alright? And then to complement it, we put a side table here. With this beautiful pendant light here. and the panel, which is the design from the singles bedroom. Okay, let's say we wrapped it. We covered this whole wall with cabinetry to put the TV and the air conditioner up there. And here are the wardrobes. And here's the cool part. On this side here, we have a wardrobe where the doors open using these grooves we left here in the cabinetry. See? Isn't that cool? With soft closing and everything. Look how cool that is, see? And then notice that we have a cabinet here, a smaller wardrobe, narrower. What is this narrower wardrobe that I included in the design for? See? It's for him to store his sneakers. Look. See how cool that is? Here he'll be able to store more things and also keep his sneakers. So we created a shoe rack in this slimmer wardrobe, narrower on this side. Here we also used vinyl flooring, right? From the hallway to the bedrooms, we used vinyl flooring, and here we have a mirror, a beautiful mirror. Here in the primary bedroom, so the client can see himself daily to get ready, anyway. So we can make use of that wall there. Here in the primary bedroom, okay? Come here now. Shall we wrap up the video? Here in the living room, it's a really cool tour, right? We have a cassette air conditioner in the ceiling, a built-in sound system. Notice there are 4 speakers here, 2 out on the balcony, and the subwoofer is right here on the side. So it's a project we built from scratch. It's a project where we suggested these colors to the client. Frejó, custom millwork. We put in a very light floor. We matched the green of the sofa with the furniture. He just loved it. He really liked it. The kitchen also turned out amazing. With this big counter here, look, it's really beautiful. And this is a project I'm delivering to my client today. So what am I going to ask you? Share this video for me, okay? Share this video with someone you know who's about to start a renovation. And then maybe it can give them some ideas. They'll watch the video and say, wow, I like that TV stand. Wow, I like those chairs here. Wow, I like that countertop. So it can be an inspiration for you too, okay? Share it, subscribe to the channel. All the items you saw here, the ones I recommend in my projects, they're down here in the description of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Did you like this tour, this beautiful, wonderful project that we just finished? We're delivering it to our client today, okay? Take care and see you in the next video.